Oy'nissh, millennial Jamaican name, food, and language. Mattivner, 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 Mattivner. Hi again, everyone. Veeliksa or welcome to another Oy'nissh vlog. In this video, I'll be introducing to you the Pre-spring Oy'nissh Mattivner. That is the Pre-spring Oy'nissh Mattivner. What is Pre-Oy'nissh Mattivner? It consists of a combination of soup and sandwich with 4 vegetables on health promotion during spring. These are wild garlic or vuminji, wild leek or plemunji, ground elder or sayes, and nettle or armat. This meal, consisting of soup and sandwich, comes under what's known as the Grandees menu under the Oy'nissh classification system for this new food brand. That is the Grandees menu system of classifying menus. So now I'm at the final stage, stage 4. The soup is cooked, the stuffings for the sandwich is done, the bread is finished. The 2 large ones are hot, but I've got a small one that's cooled down enough. So it means that I can make some sandwiches out of them. And then we put all of them together to get the Pre-Oy'nissh Mattivner. Yes? So let's cut the bread and get the sandwiches organized. Let's go back to the cutting board. Okay. Oops. Okay. So let's cut this. So this is the one that's cooled down. So I'm just going to make one of each. And remember, this is just the small bread. So I'm just making one sandwich of each stuffing. Yeah. That should be. Oh, I need another slice. Okay, so in this case, because the stuffing's got mayonnaise and so on it already, it's not compulsory that I need to put butter on it. But you can put butter if you want, or jam. You know, you can be versatile, yes? But for this sandwich, I'm not putting any more fat on it because we've got enough in the mayonnaise already, etc. So I just put the stuffing on as it is. So this would be the tuna, this will be the egg, and this would be the vegan, yes? Okay, so we've got our stuffings, tuna, egg, vegan, the Veeliksa, yes? So for the egg, yes, this one is the egg. So this one, as I said, I wouldn't bother to put any butter or margarine on the bread because this, especially this one, well, it's got enough moisture already. Now the vegan one. Just leave it there. And the tuna. Okay, vegan. Oh. Vegan, yes. And this is the egg. As you can see, the wild garlic is running through it nicely. And then the tuna. Okay, so the soup is ready. And I'll let you have a look at what it's like. Let me... Hopefully you're seeing it. Yep. This is so this soup is the nettle and ground elder soup with beetroot, Oy'nissh marinade, and red lentil. Wow, look at that. Just look how rich it is. So here you go.